Okay guys, nandito ako ulit, si pareng Roger. So nakabili nga ako ulit ng Inferno X, 5 booster packs ulit. So tara, buksan natin. Okay, so I'll go first. I'll do 3 booster packs and you'll do 2 booster packs.
Okay.
Okay, sure. Okay, so tatlong booster packs ang bubuksan ko. Tapos si Baste, dalawa. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go.
Lay down because I'm walking.
Okay. Do you want to do backwards again? I think it's better if it was backwards.
Maybe I do frontward and you do backwards.
Sure. You ready?
Yeah, ready.
All right. Okay. Hindi ko kilala yan. Ooh, how about let's do it together, like these 2 cards.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Go.
1, 2, 3.
Nothing. Go.
Okay, so second booster pack. May sinasabi sila, no? Yung second pack magic. Wow. Doesn't want to open though. There you go.
That's what I was waiting for. Lucky up.
You ready, Baste?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Oh, we got Yamper again.
Yapper.
Yamper.
What is a yap?
It's Yamper, right? Okay.
Go.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You ready for the
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Wait.
Okay, third booster pack. And then after neto, si Basti naman.
Yeah. Just sleeping here. Just waiting for the 2 of pack. And then the key.
Okay. Basta, eto na. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Oh! Toxtricity! Oh my gosh! AR fist bomb! Let's go, guys! Third twice the charm.
Twice the charm.
Or third booster pack magic. That's what they call it. Let's go. Okay, it's Basta's turn now. Okay, so it's Basta's turn. Let's see kung makakuha pa tayo ulit ng art, rare, or something much better, no?
Yeah.
Let's go. So, ginupit ko na yan para di siya mahirapan. Okay. Oh, we got that guy. We got that guy from like 2 weeks ago or something.
It's almost.
Do you remember that Pokemon's name?
Yeah.
Like a
No.
ghost type, right?
Wait.
Okay. This one. We need to see that one. Alright, let's go.
Not it. One more.
Okay, let's go. Last booster pack. What do you think about that? Do you think we're gonna get something cool?
Like, little bit. I don't know. I think this thing's stuck.
Yeah, I think you just pull it.
See.
Yeah. You can rip this from this part. There you go. Alright. Alright. Make sure it's in the middle of the camera. I think we're seeing that it's nothing there. Go in the middle. There you go.
Last 2.
Gotta see. Maybe like do it like this. Because we need to see the last one. Now we know this one.
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Let's go.
We already got this guy.
Yeah. Okay guys, so out of 5 booster packs, nakuha tayo ng isang art rare, Toxtricity. So, ayun na muna sa ngayon. Nag-enjoy din naman kami at masaya syempre dahil nakakuha nga ng hit. So, ayun na muna. Paring Roger out and thank you for watching.